Good morning and welcome to this HTML5 course. In this chapter we're going to see how to apply the basic styles. So I choose a file, so as you can see that has no style, it's kind of raw. In my file I have two HTML pages, so the index.html and pacman.html. I also have an images file with images in PNG format and a game file with PNG images as well. So we're going to work on the index.html file and we're going to see how to add some style to our file. So we're going to start by trying to put our title that you see there, so retro and classic in color. For that, I will come in my title and I will add a style tag. Here I'm going to put color. You see that just by typing the first letter, I already have suggestions. We want to change the color of the text, so we're going to choose color, and here we will be able to choose the color we want. So I'm going to put in green. So by saving, you can see that my title becomes green. We will also try to put a background for our header. So I'm going to click my header, and in the same way I'm going to put a tag, a style attribute. So here I want my background to be a different color, so it's going to be background color. And I'm going to assign it a color, so we are going to put yellow. I'm going to save, and you can see now that I have a background for my header. So if we want to add other styles, we can add them one after the other. It's not necessary to add a style tag like that. It's not required at all. We can have only one attribute style. So we will simply add what we want to continue. Let's say I want to put a margin all around my header. Well, I'm going to put a margin on it. And I'm going to say, for example, a margin of 10 pixels. Now, if I save, you can see that all around my header, I have a margin equivalent to 10 pixels.